Okay, so get this. We're diving into Children's Day celebration,
Oh, cool.
but not just anywhere.
Okay.
Going all the way to Hyderabad, India.
Wow.
Yeah, and we found this news article that just like brings these celebrations to life.
Awesome.
It's amazing how much they do and how early they start.
Really?
Yeah, it says here that some schools start celebrating like November 11th,
Wow.
leading up to the actual day on the 14th.
So they basically have like a whole week dedicated to Children's Day.
Yeah, pretty much. Like it's a huge deal.
I mean, that's incredible. It really shows you how much they value children in that culture.
For sure.
What else does the article say about the celebrations?
Well, it talks about how all the schools are like totally decked out, decorations everywhere, and the kids all wear these bright, colorful outfits.
Oh, that's so sweet.
And get this, they have all these competitions.
Competitions? Like what kind?
Everything you can imagine.
Oh.
Like singing, dancing, storytelling, even acting.
So it's like a big talent show. That's awesome. I bet the kids love that.
Oh, yeah, for sure. But it's more than just fun and games.
What do you mean?
It's about them really,
Yeah.
expressing themselves, building their confidence, and showing off their talents.
That's interesting. It's like a totally different approach than what we see in a lot of other places.
Yeah, I know, right? It's like they're really focused on encouraging the kids to be themselves and be proud of who they are.
That's pretty cool. I mean, we could learn a thing or two from that.
Totally. But hold on. Gets even better.
Really? What else is there?
So they have this massive event at LB Stadium.
LB Stadium.
Yeah, it's like this huge stadium right in the middle of Hyderabad.
Oh, wow.
And they go all out.
Like what kind of stuff?
We're talking cultural performances,
They're cool.
speeches,
Oh, wow.
the whole 9 yards. Even the chief minister shows up.
The chief minister.
Yeah, it's a really big deal.
It sounds like it.
It's more than just a big party, though.
What do you mean?
It's like this symbol of unity, the whole city coming together to celebrate.
That's awesome.
Yeah, and all the cultural performances, they really showcase the artistic heritage of Hyderabad.
Oh, yeah, for sure. Hyderabad has this incredibly rich history of art and music and dance.
Right.
It's amazing.
It's definitely something worth checking out.
For sure.
Speaking of history,
Yeah.
didn't we say something about Children's Day in India being connected to Jawaharlal Nehru?
Oh, yeah, you're right. It's actually his birthday.
Really?
Yeah, Children's Day in India is celebrated on Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday.
Oh, wow.
He was India's first prime minister.
Right.
And a huge advocate for children's education and well-being.
Makes sense.
So they celebrate Children's Day on his birthday to honor him and his legacy.
That's really cool. It adds a whole other layer of meaning to the celebrations.
Absolutely. It's like a tribute to his vision for a better future for India's children.
Wow. So we've got tradition, education, and a whole lot of fun.
Yeah.
All wrapped up in one big celebration of children.
It's incredible. It really makes you think about how different cultures approach things.
Yeah, like how do other countries celebrate children?
You're right. Are there similarities?
Are there differences?
What can we learn from each other?
Yeah. What are we doing well?
And what can we improve?
It's a lot to think about.
It is.
But hey, maybe that's our takeaway for today.
I like it.
While you're thinking about all that, maybe do a little research on Hyderabad.
Sounds good.
It sounds like an amazing place full of culture and history.
Yeah, definitely worth exploring.
All right. Until next time,
See ya.
keep those deep dives going.
Will do.